guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bleaching my brows. And this is something that I used to do years ago. I always used to bleach my brows because naturally my brows are so dark, and when I fill in my brows they just stay really dark and I'm not really feeling it. So I was like, you know what, it's been a long time since I've done it, so I'm gonna bleach my brows on camera, show you guys what I like to do. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching because this should be interesting. But before you do that, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a like, and let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is remove any brow product. So I'm about to take my brows off. So I feel like they're completely off. These makeup wipes are really good. Takes everything off. I'm gonna have to go in and do my makeup after because you can see the makeup's now missing around. So these are my natural brows with no makeup on. You can see that they are really dark naturally. And when I fill in my brows, I literally use the shade Taupe. That's how light I like to go, and they still look somewhat dark. So after this, hopefully that won't be a problem, and hopefully it will be a lot lighter. So I'm using this product called Jolene. Got this at the drugstore. This is the one that I used to use years ago as well. It's a cream bleach and it's used to lighten excess dark hair. So you can literally use this anywhere and it just lightens up the hair. So it comes with a spatula, it comes with a tray, it comes with a bleaching cream, and then it also comes with an accelerator. So the instructions say wash area to be bleached with soap and cold water and dry it. I don't have time to do that because I have to put my face back on because I am going somewhere after this. So we're about to just work with the makeup wipe. I want to show you guys a little closer. So that's how much powder I put on the spatula. So now I'm putting it on the tray. So now half of this of the cream. So I'm scared how this is going to turn out, but at the same time I'm not, because I know my dip brow gel will come through and save my life if I need it to. So most of the time I'm always wearing brow products, so not really tripping if it doesn't work out. So now I'm going in with the cream, mixing it onto the tray with the powder. I'm gonna mix this in. And then it says that if it's not as light as you want, you can just go back in and keep redoing it. So let's see how many tries this is gonna take. I want it to get to like a brown, like not a blonde. I'm not trying to get to the blonde. I'm trying to get to just like a brown color. I'm gonna go in and apply it to my brows. Oh my god, I got it on my hair. I got it on my hair. I'm trying to make sure I get it all off my skin and like mainly on my hair. I don't think there's any I don't think anything will happen if it's on my skin, but like we're trying to concentrate it on the hair. So now we wait for 10 minutes. I look crazy right now, I know, but I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes. I took an extra 5 because I've been watching it through the mirror and I wanted to make sure it got as light as I wanted to. So now it says just remove with the spatula. Guys, don't be scared if you're doing this at home because there's so much makeup out there that can cover your brows. And I'm sure you guys fill in your brows anyway, so it's like, what difference does it make? It's only at home that you're going to see the natural brow color. So don't be scared. I feel like it's totally worth it. So as you can see, this is the brown color. You can see it is a lot lighter now than my hair. It's like a nice light brown. It's very light, and I know some of you are probably like, oh my god, your brows are so light now compared to your hair, but like I said, it doesn't matter because when you go in with your brow product, it covers it anyways, and this is what I want because now when I go in with my darker brow color to match my hair, it's not going to be as dark anymore. So this is what I want. This is like the easiest way to go. So I'm going in with my makeup wipe and just wiping everything off. So that is it. That is the end. I'm super happy with this. Like I said, you guys will see in my next videos that my brows are not going to be looking crazy like this, I promise. So if you guys are interested in trying this out, I would say if it's your first time, leave it on for 5 minutes because it won't lighten as much. I left it on for 15 because I knew I wanted it to be really light. You can literally just be looking through the mirror and you'll gradually see how it's lightening up. So don't be scared to try this. I promise you it's gonna be okay. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see next. If you guys try this, let a girl know. I want to see if it works for you. But thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.